If you're looking for a new charger for your laptop, this one is compatible with a few different ones. I got it here for my HP Pavilion. You can check their website for all the different ones that it's compatible with. But I just wanted to show you this one and how it highly resembles the one that actually probably came with your computer. Okay, as you can see here, my original, the HP one, is right there at the top. This here is the replacement model right here on the bottom. So again, there's my old power supply. You see the one that I have plugged in here is the new one that I showed you. You see that it's charging right there. And you see that it's actually charging the little icon right there. Right here on the website, when you order it, has a complete list of all the compatible devices. So just make sure that yours matches. Now, a couple of things I do want to point out. This has what's called a smart blue tip. If you see right there, the tip of that is blue. There's a pin on the inside, and this is a built-in protection to make sure that you are getting the correct voltage going into your device. So that is very nice that they made that. And this anti-interference ring here is also a very nice feature of this power cord. So some of the concerns that I may have had, I was able to check it out and know that it does work with my computer. So double check to make sure that your computer is on that list. And I double checked first, even though this says 65 watts, my old one said 45 watts. This has that smart blue tip, so it is going to give your device the correct amount of voltage.